Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a stroke to any object in the latest 2026 version of Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the clip. Then go to the window menu and make sure Effects is enabled. In the search bar, type stroke. Drag the stroke effect onto the clip in the timeline. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the stroke settings, you can adjust the stroke width according to your preference. You can also change the color of the stroke. If you want to apply a two-color stroke, simply increase the duo amount and choose your desired duo color. You can also switch the stroke colors by enabling the invert option. If you only want to display the outline, enable Hide Source. Press Ctrl+C to copy the stroke effect. Then press Ctrl+V to paste it onto another clip. And that's it. Thank you for watching.